Ready to make your photos and videos pop by blurring that background using the Nikon Z30? Let's dive right in. First, the lens is key. A lens with a wide aperture, like an f/18 or even an f/28, will let in more light and give you that beautiful, blurred background, or bokeh effect. The lower the number, the shallower the depth of field you can achieve. Kit lenses usually do not produce great bokeh, so consider investing in a different lens. Switch your Z30 to aperture priority mode or manual mode. This gives you control over the aperture. Dial it down to the lowest number your lens allows. Remember, the smaller the number, the blurrier the background. Next, distance is your friend. The further your subject is from the background, and the closer you are to your subject, the more blur you'll get. Move closer to your subject and make sure they are further from the backdrop. Focus is crucial. Use single-point autofocus and make sure it's locked onto your subject's most important feature, like their eye if you are doing portraits, or the petal closest to you if you are shooting a flower. This works for video too. While recording, you can adjust the aperture to change the level of background blur in real time. See the difference? A shallow depth of field isolates your subject and makes them stand out. Play around with these techniques and create amazing images and videos. Experiment, have fun, and don't forget to subscribe for more Z30 tips and tricks. Now go out there and create some stunning bokeh.